What's going on, everyone? Corey Fulham, your car guy here. Welcome again to my shop, and today I'm going to be continuing another project series video on my Cadillac. This time we're going to be replacing the license plate bulb right over there inside the trunk. So I had to get a star screwdriver over here. Fits right into that spot there. And look at that. Came off really easy. We can just take the screw off over here. And once we take off the other screw, so it should give us access to that bulb right in there, inside that housing. Loosen this up like that. It's nice and hot out today, so. And look at that, bow, it's off. So right over here we have to turn that counterclockwise so we can remove it. Alright, so I finally got that thing out. And then we can just pull the bulb out. See if I can try to do this with one hand. Okay, hang on. Alright, so I did finally manage to get this bulb out here. And then we'll grab our brand new bulbs over here. So this one's like, so it's like 98 cents. Right over here, and that's the total of $69.99 for the freight. 2 pieces, part number 194, longer life. So I decided to switch to a longer life one. I'll set that aside over here, and then we'll just grab our brand new bulbs. There they are. That's the 194 longer life, lasts longer, and there should be another one inside here. And look at that. RockAuto.com finally sent me another dash black. This one's a Ford Mustang built with Rock Auto parts. That's nice. I'll have to set that over here. And then we'll just go ahead and prep our new bulbs and we'll install them. Okay, so I finally got the new bulb in. You can see the part number right there, 194LL. And then we'll just fit the housing right on top of there. I just got to set the camera down over here so you can watch me line up these things over here. We just got to line up the tabs, and then we just turn that clockwise and it just locks into place. And I think after that we're gonna put the thing back in. Goes right up in that. And then we'll line up the holes right over here. Put our screws back in. And then I can't wait to test it and see if it works. There's 2. And then we'll just tighten them up. Snug them up nice and tight. And then we'll tighten them up so it doesn't come off while driving. Same with this one. We're not going to over tighten it. There we go. And I think after this we're going to do the big test, see if it works. And look at that, she's working. Look at that. Well, I think that's going to pretty much wrap it up for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And by the way, I had to replace that side marker light in the back there. So that would be on the passenger side right after I got finished replacing the license plate bulb back there. So again, it would be on the passenger side there. So I had to replace that with nice new 194 part number, longer lasting bulbs. So now I don't have to worry about the bulbs burning out again, which is good. Anyway, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Definitely consider clicking on the subscribe button because I've got lots more content coming up. Car reviews, plus more project series of fixing this car up and putting new parts in. And don't forget to turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell so you can get notified of new uploads. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up because it really helps those videos a lot. With that being said, be sure to stay tuned next time, guys. There is a lot more where it came from, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care, everyone.